I can drive this. Oh, he's not gonna wish he said that. Oh, we're peeling out. Okay, we're going sideways. You see it better than that.
Did you quit walking?
Quit walking? We gotta go down here so you can continue your fun. Oh gosh, this is about to get funny. Covered in snow. I don't know if that was on film or not. I don't know if that was on film or not.
I cannot feel my fingers.
Why? Why do you have them covered in snow? That's not weird. Alright, pick it up, stand in the bed. We're gonna go up the hill. I hate to be a guinea pig. Let me go right up here, Jeff. Hold on. Alright, you're good. Do it. Go for it, Jeff. Come on. Come on, Jeff, go.
Up this hill?
Yeah. Come on, man, YouTube. YouTube.
Don't drive that fast.
We can't go as fast. We can't go as fast up as we can down. Don't worry, honey. That's total bullshit. I can go faster up. I can go faster up the hill than I can down. I totally just lied to him. We're going way faster up this hill than we went down. I'm in four-wheel drive. Holy shit. Oh my god. Was that on film? I just don't talk. I'm nervous. I just rebuilt it this past couple nights ago. Can you see it on the camera?
No, I can barely. But when you go below the tree line, I can't.
That thing's not that far away, dude. It's like 15 feet, maybe 20.
Oh, now it's having trouble focusing in on it. It's going in and out. What the fuck? What the hell is the focusing problem? Don't get so close to the camera. Let it focus. See what the fuck, dude? Oh, there we go. go.
Alright.
You know, it's actually not picking up the motor speed as fast on camera. It looks like it's barely twirling.
That's cool. Oh shoot, man, what the heck? Gust of wind just nicked it, dude. Almost hit the dirt. Let's see. Oh my god, dude, it's like it sucks it down to a quarter of an inch high, if even that, and then it like won't let it go lower.
Go cut those weeds, dude.
Oh, did you see it?
No, I didn't see it.
I saw it. The weed, you see it?
Yeah, I saw it. Ah, weed cutting.
Get on camera. Yeah.
Trojan. Oh
shit.
yeah, I saw it.
Yeah. This little one's cutting it good. Why is it?
Oh shit. Oh fuck, dude. I don't know. Hey,